Are you a Nelo Life distributor looking to grow your business faster? Today, discover how Master Affiliate Profits, MAP, can transform your lead generation and marketing for Nelo Life's products and opportunity. Your lead generation partner for Nelo Life. MAP is your strategic partner, designed to generate high-quality leads for Nelo Life's travel, wellness, and education offerings. 1. Targeted lead generation for Nelo products. MAP excels in generating quality leads for direct sales companies, transforming your marketing efforts into a robust engine of success. As an independent representative for Nelo Life, you'll engage with an eager network, ready to embrace the innovative product line that you offer. 2. Efficient lead management. Each lead you attract is seamlessly integrated into both MAP's internal system and your personal autoresponder, streamlining your marketing and nurturing a continuous revenue flow. 3. Economical lead acquisition. MAP's unique model reduces your lead acquisition costs. Your commissions from MAP's marketing of its services to your leads can potentially cover all your lead generation expenses, making your Nelo Life products promotion financially efficient. The fact is the offsetting commissions that you'll earn from Master Affiliate Profits can offset your advertising costs by 100%. 4. Optimized marketing focus. Let MAP handle 98% of your marketing workload. Our platform is ingeniously crafted to handle digital marketing complexities, freeing you to focus on expanding your Nelo Life marketing effortlessly. 5. Inclusive training course. Dive into our free online marketing course, offering valuable insights into lead generation and digital marketing. 6. Broad bonus appeal. All enrollees, including your Nelo Life team members, can access Dory O'Neil's Enroll new MAP members in 60 minutes or less. It's 100% free when you enroll as a free member with Master Affiliate Profits. This toolkit boosts your digital presence, beneficial for your Nelo Life business ventures and beyond. Overcoming common objections. Now, you might wonder how MAP leads, initially drawn to affiliate marketing, become prime prospects for any product that you offer through Nelo Life. Here's the simple truth. The affiliate marketing industry is vast, with a massive potential audience. Just imagine, within the US, a staggering 11,400 affiliate companies are operating. Amazon, a single entity among them, is home to 900,000 affiliates. Each of these affiliates has a unique customer base to whom they market various products and services. Picture this. Amazon's affiliates are an ideal match for you, and their customers could be your potential customers too. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Beyond Amazon, there are 11,399 other affiliate marketing companies, many of which have up to 150,000 affiliates each. The possibilities are immense. These numbers show that the core base of affiliate marketers and their customer lists are an ideal segment for Nelo Life products and anything else you'd like to sell. More so, every affiliate marketer seeks what MAP offers: free traffic for all enrollment levels, including free memberships. This means you can attract affiliates at a lower cost compared to traditional advertising methods. For example, a health product marketer might pay $3 to $7 per lead on Google Ads, while MLM products like weight loss products can cost $15 to $20 per lead. MAP provides a more economical and effective alternative. Lead acquisition cost in most cases are pennies, not dollars. By welcoming affiliates into MAP and then engaging them with your autoresponder, you can guide them seamlessly towards your Nelo Life products or anything else that you'd like to market. A simple email asking their preference. Like, what's most important to you? Improving your health, earning more income, or more free time? Their answer can lead them to your Nelo Life products or opportunity offer. Your journey with MAP and your Nelo Life products or business opportunity. Seize this opportunity to revolutionize your lead generation strategy for your existing opportunity or product. Enroll in our free online marketing course and step into a new era of marketing success with MAP. With Dory O'Neil's guidance, you're on the path to amplifying your Nelo Life business potential and beyond. Start by subscribing to our channel and enrolling in the free course. Let's unlock the doors to a new dimension of lead generation together, catering specifically to Nelo Life products and the related business opportunity. Click the link below. Enroll risk-free for our free online marketing course, your place in the world of successful digital marketing for your Nelo Life business opportunity and product sales worldwide. Embrace the journey to success. With zero risks and no need for a credit card, you're on the verge of unlocking new opportunities for your Nelo Life venture. Take that leap with us today. Just a friendly reminder: Master Affiliate Profits, MAP, stands as an independent platform, specializing in lead generation. It's important to know that we're not affiliated with or endorsed by Nelo Life or business venture. Our focus at MAP is on lead generation, and we're not associated with network marketing or MLM in any way. We're here to help you generate highly targeted, cost-efficient leads for your Nelo Life business. Just to clarify, Master Affiliate Profits, MAP, is your go-to platform for lead generation across a wide array of industries. We're not just about Nelo Life lead generation. In fact, no matter what type of business you're in, MAP is here to help generate those crucial leads. We're all about versatility and helping you reach your market. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember to like and comment on this video. Your engagement is the key to our shared success in the world of digital marketing.